Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is weekend vlog where I'm going to show the shopping which I have done. So you will have to see all that, and also at the end I will show you how I have reorganized the refrigerator after cleaning and all. So I have organized in different shelves wherever we have to put according to the categories. So you will be seeing that too. So stay connected. Shopping is done. Now we will go back to home, and the next day I'm going to arrange it. So here are the different containers where you can keep bottles, sauces, or different kind where you can access easily the small packets, all those. Then I will arrange vegetables in a different container and in open space like baskets where I can put potatoes and everything. This all are for the sweets or pulses, all that I have kept in one. That's a different area for the powders. The green chilies, cardamom, the coriander powders, all those are separate. It's outside. It's not necessary for inside. The creamy parts I have put in a first container where I have put yogurt, cream, milk, all those. And the second I'll put vegetables and fruits. Separately I have kept so that it's easy to take it out. Whichever is necessary we can remove it instead of putting all that together. The things which get easily, the liquid items and all that, we have to preserve it for longer time. That need fresh, cold, so it's need to be on the top. And here I am arranging different fruits in a basket. The eggs I have kept in between, and along with that I have kept the fruits separately. And these all are the mini powder packets which can be used, and dry fruits I have kept in a drawer below. Keeping lemon separately, no need to cover it. And here is the potatoes basket. For long shelf life, we have to preserve in the refrigerator. Leafy vegetables, green onions, all that I'll preserve it in a plastic bag itself because it's more in quantity and it will consume more of the space if I'm putting it in boxes. And it's for twice or one time use, then it gets over. So I have not completely filled in the fridge. Yeah, how much is needed, that I have done it. Tomatoes and butter gourd, cauliflower, fenugreek leaves, Now it comes to the, will show you what I keep in the freezer, which is mini. I have separate freezer too, but I'll be showing you for this because it's an entire refrigerator vlog. So I'm keeping here the nuggets in one side, then chickens, a raw chicken, and this is boneless tender chicken that I'll keep below because it will consume more space. On the top it's not available, so it's better to keep it in a comfortable place where you can easily take it instead of moving things here and there. So about to complete everything, let me know if anything is missing to do or how would you like to do. Definitely I will bring up more videos where I will arrange differently in a different style. This is just for a homely made, for timing I have done it, and I have shot the video for a quick reference and just as a purpose of vlog. It was not planned, so to show it perfectly I have to put in different containers and naming it like vegetables, fruits, pulses, all that you can name it and put, and buy different utensils for refrigerator, the transparent ones, so like that you can arrange it in more better way. But this is like everyone's refrigerator, how they set it. Here are the henna cones which need air, we cannot keep it out. Yeah, the brinjals were left, so now it's complete. Everything is arranged. Now I will show you the entire view. So this is how I have arranged it, and it's some efforts to show you guys. So I hope you liked it that I have shared, and it's a different than the usual vlogs which will be of outside or what I have, what I cook, but this is totally a different one. So I hope you like it. If you do, please share in your comments so that I can read it, and please subscribe, like and share, and stay connected for more videos. And you can also give me some ideas if you wish to watch anything new.